This conference will now be recorded.
So hi Naresh, thank you for joining. This is Sandeep here. Today we are for the workshop of SAP S4HANA Logistic. I represent a company by name Fortified Infotech. We are basically a cloud company. We operate from US, UK, and India. India we are in Bangalore. We have an offshore development center, and in US we are in Texas, UK in Hertfordshire. Fortified Learn is our training company. So we work on competency building from migrating from on-premise to cloud for SD consultant or CRM consultant, right? And we work on logistic. We do projects, so there'll be a paid project where you're going to work on, and after that you're going to be deployed into the company. So we are going to onboard the resource for our project in our organization. Right, so that is what we'll be looking on. Agenda of this workshop is to understand what is Fortified Infotech, what is objective of this training program, what are the type of employment opportunities we have, right? What would be the training cost, what would be the compensation, what would be the additional benefits and detail of the program. As a company, we have been working for more than 16 years in SAP technology. We have been into migrating from R3 to cloud, which is on SAP HANA and S4 HANA with Fiori application we'll be working on. We have designed this competency upgradation program. We have 3 stages: basic, advanced, and expert. So you'll be working as a consultant where we are going to onboard you in our projects. So training, what we built competency 47,000, and then at advanced level we have 88,000 and expert 2,12,000. It's only the license and support what we look on. In basic you have for 90 days after training. In advance you have after training 180 days. Expert level you have 365 days, where certification also will be sponsored and you'll be involved end-to-end project in expert. So in basic, you'll be doing only implementation. In advanced, implementation and support. In testing, what we talk about. In expert, you'll be part of implementation, testing, integration, and support. Onboarding, 60 to 90 days we'll do, because many people have notice period, right? And they have to serve. So after project, that is what. You'll be paid project, as I said, $100, $200, $300. All right, certification will be giving additional classes, which is on 15, 25, and 40 hours additional. You will have a recording of all the classes. Copy will go to you and to the customers. Material will be given to you for the references of our project specific materials. Will be interview preparation, which is on project specific we'll be doing on, and then we'll have project completions and course completion certificate from Fortified. And after that you will have live support, which is on WhatsApp after deployment, so that you can sustain in the project and we can deliver on time. We have a budget for compensation. So for full time it is between 1.5 to 200K when you are onboarding us, right? You're going to work for us. And then for freelancer it is 5,000 to 20,000. Work from home it is 1.8K into 220K. This is basically because of COVID we are going to go for. And apart from this, we'll be working on project specific deployment in our project. We'll have morning and evening batches and weekends batches. So you can select any slot, morning or evening. Login you'll have 24/7. As now for logistic, we will be looking for hiring 18 people, 18 in our project for this year. So logistic is unique to start with. It is combination of multiple model. It is unique. It consists of various modules like sales and distribution, warehouse, logistic, right, procurement. All these are part which will be there. So being from sales or distribution or CRM, will be specifically focusing on that. All right. So we will be more focused on SD. And if you are from sourcing, then we'll have sourcing and procurement. We'll have other modules are our expertise. Right, so we will be involving first migrating from on-premise R3 to HANA database with migration cockpit front end. We will have Fiori application. Middleware is S4HANA. Middleware S4HANA consists of technologies like AI, machine learning, and other technologies which we're going to do about. So that is one aspect which we'll be building on. Now, logistics are more advanced because we'll be seeing that we are going to use embedded technologies. We are going to use, cloud, external technologies, which will be, and complete cloud solutions will be building for our customers. So that is one part we are going to look from the business prospects. So anybody from sales and distribution, or anybody from warehouse management, material management, procurement can be part of this project which we are going to do about. So not only logistic has moved to the cloud, but also like plant management, production, core HR, right, also have moved to the customer level. So we are going to configure complete module on S4HANA Logistic. All right, so any migration, post migration, any changes from 1908 to 2010, that is 2010 October release. 2021 it will release in September, October. So we'll be using 2010 release. We'll be migrating, post migration we'll be configuring. We are going to digitalize, right, the process. We'll be creating on automations on. So master data migration and post configurations will be dealing with the applications. All right, so we'll start with sales and distribution configuration at Fiori level. All right, we'll be working on order process and billing contracts plus revenue management for the customer. Same thing, procurement also will be covering because it's a part of sales and distribution. All right, so data migration from SRM will be, all right, apart from this, we'll be configuring a lot of things like eChat, all right, ERP shopping chat. We are going to configure web info applications integrations, foreign trade, applications integrations will be dealing on, right? And then we will be, integrating with other applications what customer has, like BRIMS is one of the applications they want to do for billing and system for our customers. Plant management is also one of the part we'll be covering. So logistics specific to warehouse management, we are going to configure. So these are more on project specific we'll be doing on. So our training plus migration, post migration configuration. So this is how the live project which you're going to work on. And after that deployment also will be looking from similar scenario. Any questions you are having, we'll open. All right, we'll be starting this program from coming week. And projects, we are going to deployment on projects will start from mid of June, and onboarding will happen from July mid, right? So by that time you'll be full-time deployed with us. You have an option to work as a freelancer or as a consultant. So any question, Naresh, you have, all right, you want to put into, all right, related to training or project or timing we want to get into?
No doubts, no questions.
So thank you, Naresh. Hope we can take this further. All right, and we'll look into. Thank you very much.
Thanks a lot.
Connect to Itashri, and if you want to be
Yeah,
part
sure.
of the team, we'll take it further. Thank you very much.
Okay, thanks a lot. Okay.